with Russia using the non-armored Desertcross vehicle leaves Russian troops very vulnerable on the battlefield, while the vehicle has fairly good maneuverability as a lightweight vehicle. It can reach higher speeds, but not faster than Ukraine's drones. With the drones slowly creeping up on the vehicle, the troops in the back could easily see what they were being targeted by, with Ukraine's skillful drone operators staying with the vehicle's evasive maneuvers, finally catching up with the vehicle, striking it from behind, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.